Welcome back to Play and Build. Today we're going to be making a rabbit with pom-poms. I'm going to make a little chicken. Look at the eyes. I got lucky eyes. Now we're going to open them up. Do you like my eyes? Do you like my eyes, Shane?
Yeah, I like them.
We're going to put the pom-poms in the PVA glue and stick it on the plate. Let's start making. Dun 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 dun. Gibby. Parker, yeah. Do you think yours is looking good now? Nah. Well, what are you doing? You're making a mess. I'm not. Cause look. Pause. Parker, this is fun, isn't it? No, it isn't. Videos are not fun. Now you have a... Yeah. What's all of these balls for? Look at my set. They're for the your chick. What things? Nose. The little nose. In the middle there. Not even. It's gonna look. Parker, this is so fun making Easter stuff, and it's Easter, is it? Yeah. It's really, really fun making. What is this carrot for? It's not Easter. How is chicks going to have carrots on their one of those? Oh, that's not a carrot. That's just like them. That's just their beak. You have to cover all of that. If you see some white, you can't do it. Are you nearly finished? Yeah! I'm doing the eyes. What can I do with the wings for? Because I've got that one. That'll be a little funny turkey, won't it? Like, with legs. Finish! We're finished! Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe so you don't miss out. Keep on playing. Bye! See you later.